Welcome back to the Project Lab. In this video, we're going to explore a simple yet powerful Python project, a restaurant management system. This project covers multiple aspects of managing a restaurant, from inventory tracking, order placement, customer management, and even daily reporting. Let's dive in. This restaurant management system is built entirely in Python and is suitable for beginners or intermediate programmers looking to improve their skills. We'll explore the key components that make up this project, which includes a login system, menu display, inventory management, customer tracking, and payment processing. The system starts with a simple login feature for staff members and admins. Each user must log in with valid credentials to access the system. This ensures that sensitive features, such as managing inventory or generating reports, are restricted to authorized users only. After logging in, the user can view the restaurant's menu and place orders. The system takes care of the order details like quantity and calculates the total price. It even supports applying discounts before the payment is processed. The system also tracks inventory for each menu item. When an order is placed, the system automatically updates the inventory, preventing the restaurant from overselling any items. Another feature of the system is customer management. Every time an order is placed, it's saved under the customer's name. This allows the restaurant to keep track of customer orders and view order history. After an order is placed, the system handles payments through cash, card, or digital wallets. At the end of the day, the system can generate a detailed report of the day's orders, including total revenue. So, that's the restaurant management system. It includes a login system, a menu display and ordering process, inventory management, customer tracking, and payment processing. This project is a great way to learn about managing data in Python while applying your knowledge to a real-world scenario. You can further enhance it with features like table reservation or even a graphical user interface. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Flame and Fire for more coding projects. See you in the next one.